WhatsApp just made it easier to share your favorite Spotify songs directly to your status. You no longer need to record your screen, take a screenshot, or paste a basic Spotify link. You can now share a song as a beautiful music card. Your friends can see the song title, cover art, and an Open on Spotify button. They may also hear a short preview of the song. In this video, I'll show you how to share Spotify music directly to your WhatsApp status. Let's get started. First, open Spotify. Find the song you want to share. You can use the search tab to find a specific song, artist, album, playlist, podcast, or audiobook. For this example, I'm going to select a song. Tap the song to open the Now Playing screen. You should now see the song title, artist name, and album cover. Look for the three dots in the top right corner. On some phones, you may see a share icon directly on the screen. Tap the three dots, scroll down, and select Share. Spotify will now show you the available sharing options. Find WhatsApp and tap it. If WhatsApp doesn't appear, tap More. Then select WhatsApp from the complete list of applications. WhatsApp should now open automatically. You should see a page called Send To. Find My Status and select it. Make sure you select My Status, not an individual contact or WhatsApp group. After selecting My Status, tap the green arrow. You should now see a preview of your Spotify music card. The card may include the song title, artist name, album cover, and an Open on Spotify button. Some versions may also include a short audio preview. Before posting the status, you can customize it. You can add a short caption, emoji, sticker, or drawing. However, try to keep the design clean. Don't add too much text because it may cover the song title or album artwork. Before posting, you should also check your status privacy. Tap the privacy option at the bottom of the screen. If you cannot see it, open WhatsApp settings, tap privacy. Then select status. You will see three privacy options. Select My Contacts if you want all your saved contacts to see your status. Select My Contacts except if you want to hide the status from certain people. Select Only Share With if you want specific contacts to see it. Choose the option you prefer and confirm your selection. Now, return to the music card preview. When everything looks good, tap the green Send button. Your Spotify song will now be posted to your WhatsApp status. Your contacts can view the music card and tap Open on Spotify to listen to the complete song. Like every WhatsApp status, the music card will disappear automatically after 24 hours. Now, let me show you a faster way to share music. Return to Spotify, find the song you want to post. Tap the three dots next to the song title. Select Share. If you see a dedicated WhatsApp status icon, tap it. This option may take you directly to the WhatsApp status editor. You can then customize the music card and tap Send. You may also be able to share albums, playlists, podcasts, and other Spotify content using the same method. WhatsApp is releasing this feature gradually. Some people may receive it before others, even when they use the same phone model. You don't need to uninstall WhatsApp or delete your account. Keep Spotify and WhatsApp updated and check the sharing menu again after a few days. While you wait, you can share the song using a normal Spotify link. Open the song in Spotify, tap the three dots, select Share, then tap Copy Link. Now open WhatsApp. Go to the Updates tab and create a new text status. Paste the Spotify link, add a short message, and post your status. This method may not include the new music card or audio preview. However, your contacts can still tap the link and open the song in Spotify. Remember, sharing a song to WhatsApp status does not upload the complete song. It shares a music card, a Spotify link, and, when available, a short audio preview. Anyone who wants to hear the complete track can open it inside Spotify. And that's it. You now know how to share Spotify music directly to your WhatsApp status. You also know how to customize the music card, control who can see it, and fix the most common problems when the option is missing. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple WhatsApp and Android tutorials. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your music, and I'll see you in the next video.